In this video we'll show you how to adjust the steering toe-in toe-out of your kart. You will need a few tools. Lasers, best ones are the magnetic ones, even better are the ones we make at Kart Crazy. You will need two spanners. On our kart they're both 13mm. You need a socket to remove the hub, and you need a way of centering the steering. We use our own steering center tool. Remove the hubs. Put the magnetic lasers on each stub axle, checking everything is clean first. Center the steering. Center the laser bubbles on both sides. This needs to be done precisely to make sure that both lasers are vertical. Loosen the track rod ends, remembering one end is a left-hand thread. Turn the track rod end until you have the amount of toe in or toe out that you want. This is generally set to anything from 0 to about +4 or 5mm depending on the kart conditions, tyres and all that kind of stuff. Always keep an eye on the steering centre in case it has moved when you're doing the alignment. Tighten the track rod ends, pinching up both ends. Check the track rod end rose joints are free to move.